Hey, how's it going, Carrie? Kelsey here at Mixed Digital Marketing. Just want to leave you a quick video in regards to some SEO strategies I recommend you doing to your website to help you ranking higher in Google. So we'll go over three things. The first is content, second is backlinks, third is citations. So content just refers to words on the page. In terms of your home page, we recommend 1,000 to 1,500 words. And your traditional page, we recommend 500 to 750 words. So this is because within Google's algorithm, it can't determine how nice a page is to kind of differentiate between your competitors. All it can rely upon are the words that are written there. And so that's where we recommend an abundance of words, and not just any words, but the right keywords. So as I go through your home page, again, your website looks nice and sleek and a good, simple design, but there just aren't enough words here for Google to be able to properly recognize where you should be ranking. And so that's where I would recommend definitely increasing the amount of content that you have in here. And again, that just isn't anywhere, just the right keywords. So you may be wondering, okay, well, how do I figure out what those keywords are? So we use a tool called Ahrefs. And so in here, you're allowed to plug in any website on the web and it kind of spits out some rankings and ratings for you. So here you can see a website ranking in the millions, but that's totally fine because we're talking about billions of websites on the web. What we really care about is everything to the right. So there's a UR rating that you have at 14. So this is a rank from 0 to 100, and this determines both the on-site and off-site SEO of your homepage, which is what I'm on right now. And this is the strongest page of your website, so it's really important for the rankings here to be good. The DR stands for domain rating, and this is the ranking of just strictly your offsite SEO. And so again, another 0 to 100 ranking, and 4.4 is not bad, but there definitely is a lot of room for improvement here, and I'll explain why. And so you'll see here that there's backlinks that you have 58, and then referring domains 9. So to take a step back, backlinks are the hyperlink on blog articles, influencer pages that talk about your website or your service that you offer, and then that hyperlink leads back to your website. And so Google's algorithm really likes this because now it's traveling from one website straight to another. It kind of works as one big popularity contest, and we want to make you as popular as possible. But again, you only get power once per website. You can have 1,000 backlinks on one referring domain or website, but you only get power once. And so we want to make sure that we get you as many referring domains as possible. And to take a step further than that, you only get power from the do follow backlinks. And so here you can see you have 9 referring domains, of which only 4 are do follows. And so not every website has to lend you power. But we want to find you more do follow backlinks, but also we want to make sure that these do follow backlinks, their websites are strong as well. The stronger their website is, the stronger yours gets in return. It just kind of has a snowball effect that way. And as your website gets stronger and stronger, you'll start ranking for more organic keywords because Google will know that you're a highly reputable company, and you'll just start ranking for more things, and it'll give you kind of an organic traffic and traffic value for those. All right. So I typed in Maid service often. So this exact search is getting 800 searches per month on average, according to the software we were just on. So here you can see the Google Ads section where people are paying a premium to be on the top of Google. But roughly you only get about 20% of the volume on average, according to Google itself. So that leaves 80% for the rest of the field. 40% comes from the map pack section, and then the other 40% comes from the organic search section, obviously different amounts for each position that you're in. So the map pack section, the number one thing that affects it is the organic search. So as you can see, Austin Maid service, number 1 organically, number 1 on the map pack. The second thing that affects it, though, are citations. So citations are online directories like Yellow Pages or even Yelp, Facebook that has your business name, address, and phone number listed exactly as you have it set up in Google My Business. And it's very important that these are set up exactly the same, or else you won't get proper credit. And so we have a different software that we use that allows us to see how many citations your competitors have, and we make sure we at least get double of those. Because there are citations all over the web, and they're easy to get. It just takes a little bit of time. And so the other things that affect it, obviously, are your Google reviews and Google Photos, but those things are going to come organically as you get more customers. So just to take a look at your top competitor here in just the Austin area, so I know you do service in multiple areas. Let's see what they have going on. So you can see here that, again, the design, there's nothing really special, but they do have sprinkled in a little bit more content that just kind of talks about what they do. Luckily for their business name being Austin Maid Service, it is a popular keyword, and so thus they're ranking a lot better for this keyword organically. But again, there's other things that you can do just by increasing more content to help you rank higher in Google this way. So I typed their website in the software as well. You can see their rank is a little bit better than yours, but then you can obviously see that the UR and DR are also higher. The UR of 24, that's due to both the combination again of on-site and off-site SEO. and then their DR is up 12. So they have 80 referring domains, of which 49 are do follows. So that honestly, I would expect a little bit higher of a DR, but that just tells me that these do follows that they are getting are from pretty low powered websites. But again, even with that alone, they're ranking for over 400 keywords, quite a bit of organic traffic, and again, a significant amount of value. So these are just some quick SEO strategies recommend you doing to your website. If you want to learn more about what we can do, please visit www.mixeddigitalmarketing.com. Thank you.